So we got these from Costco. The Norwegian Salmon Sashimi. We got the wasabi. Comes with a packet of wasabi. Is it good?
Yeah, I'm making sushi. Watch
There it
me.
is.
Watch me.
Comes with one of these. I mixed it in already. With that, we got some seaweed and some rice. The Costco rice. Everything's from Costco. And it's actually pretty good, guys. It's amazing. So get yourself one of these. One of these from Costco. Thaw it out. Get some seaweed. I would recommend that.
That one tastes different.
And make yourself some sashimi. I'll show you guys right now how we do it. We got the sticky rice. Oh man, this thing is sticky. Grab a piece of salmon. There we go. Like this. Give it a little dip. That's good.
Oh no. Oh no. But it fell off.
Even the kids like it.
Everybody, look, I make this. So,
Nope. Oh.
you know how I make it?
Okay, show them how you make it.
Oh, this is so
Hold on,
simple.
your piece fell off.
I know. That's okay. And first, put rice with
Rice with some seaweed, some salmon, and a cucumber.
this.
Oh, get some soyu on there.
I want to dip it.
Oh. Oh. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, take it easy, bro.